In this video, I want to talk about an awesome program, sethC. You can use it to get access to a machine without logging on. So I've already set up this lab, and what you have here is sethC, which is a program that sits in the System32 directory on any Windows machine, and it gets access to things like sticky keys when you're logging on. So basically, you can take this sethC program and then rename it to another program. So you just take the real sethC and make a backup of it, and then create another program, whatever you want, like the calculator or the command prompt, and rename that to sethC. Now, when you're sitting at the computer and you hit the sticky keys, this program gets called upon as opposed to the real sethC. Okay, so basically, what you do to kind of set this directory up is you go to the command prompt. Okay, and you basically have to copy the files from one location to another, and simply it's basically no more difficult than the actual copy commands. Okay, so what you would do is change your directory into C:\\, and then move to Windows, and then of course change the directory to System32. Okay, then copy, all right, the traditional sethC.exe to, sethC.exe.backup2, or whatever you want to call it, and it'll say that one file is copied. And then you can take whatever program you want and actually create sethC out of it. So if you wanted to do maybe copy the command prompt, for example, cmd.exe to sethC.exe, that would actually copy it and replace this in sethC. And you can overwrite it, choose yes, then it's copied. Now, effectively, what we've just done here is now the command prompt is actually named sethC. So when sethC gets called upon, the command prompt actually launches. So it's real easy to do this. We'll just log off of the system. Okay. And by hitting the Shift key several times, it says, do you want to turn on Windows sticky keys? And we say yes. And you can see that I now have administrative access effectively to the system without logging on. So at this point, if I wanted to go down, kind of poke around here, do a directory, I can see that, I've got privilege escalation tools, so I could just run x.exe, which is another privilege escalation tool. So I just created an admin account there. I could see if something is in perhaps a hidden data stream. I could launch Tiny, which is a backdoor Trojan. So I could telnet into 127.0.0.1. On port 7777 at this point, and I can do a directory here, and now you can see I'm actually logged in as a backdoor through a backdoor, which is kind of fun. Okay, I could run basically anything I want. As you can see, this is already a rooted system, so I have loads to play with here, but I could do port mapping, I could check the IP address. Okay, I can pretty much do whatever I want, whatever command, shut down the machine, reboot it, whatever you like. All right, so my name is Leo Drager. Thanks for checking us out. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter.